California standards for the teaching profession, known as the CSTP, are intended to provide guidelines for educators to fulfill their professional roles and responsibilities. These standards are not regulations used to control the specific actions of teachers, but rather to guide teachers as they develop, refine, and extend their practice. A growing body of research confirms that the quality of teaching is what matters most for students' development and learning. Excellent teaching requires knowledge, skills, commitment, and passion. The CSTP are organized around 6 interrelated standards for teaching. Standard 1, engaging and supporting all students in learning. Standard 2, creating and maintaining effective environments for student learning. Standard 3, understanding and organizing subject matter for student learning. Standard 4, planning instruction and designing learning experiences for all students. Standard 5, assessing students for learning. Standard 6, developing as a professional educator. Within each one of these standards are specific substandards. For example, in Standard 3, understanding and organizing subject matter for student learning is Substandard 3.6, addressing the needs of English language learners and students with special needs to provide equitable access to content. The Continuum of Teaching Practice is a document that is aligned with the CSTP. This is a tool that can be used for self-reflection, goal setting, and inquiry into teaching practice. When using this document, an educator can rate themselves from level 1, emerging, to level 5, innovating, based on current practices. When using this document, an educator should honestly reflect on his or her abilities. Although your self-assessment is not used for an official evaluation with your school district, many school districts base their evaluations on teachers' ability to meet the CSTP. Continually reflecting on your strengths and areas for growth will help to improve your teaching practice as you consider the CSTP in your teaching. Regularly reviewing the CSTP will help to monitor growth in your teaching practice. After you review the Continuum of Teaching Practice link provided, identify one of your strengths and one area for growth as related to the CSTP. Feel free to use the sentence frame provided. Then, share one detailed idea you have to improve your area for growth.